Greetings! In the previous lesson, we learned how to create root sheets. Today, we will finish with the topic of root sheets and proceed to replacement of materials. Sometimes the material needed for production is unavailable. To prevent it, a production company can have a database of substitute materials. When the primary material is unavailable, a substitute can be used instead. For instance, production of case materials consumes simple plastic. But whenever simple plastic is unavailable, it can be replaced with shockproof plastic. This replacement increases the cost but reduces the production time. Material substitution permissions are managed in Manufacturing, Master Data, Material Substitution Permissions. Go to this section to create a material substitution permission. Click by company as a whole. Specify that the permission only applies to production of case-based special X1. In the usage node field for this substitute, type in replacement without restrictions. Go to the Substitution tab and specify the material to be substituted, simple plastic, and the substitute material, shockproof plastic. Choose the color from the list. Specify the same quantity, 1, for simple plastic and shockproof plastic. Change the document status to confirmed. Click Post and close. Now, a local dispatcher can replace simple plastic with shockproof plastic planned by the bill of resources. The actually used material can be seen in the reports which we'll be studying in the future lessons. Now let's create another root sheet. Go to Manufacturing, Master Data, Root Sheets. Click Create. Description: Harness Manufacturing. On the Main tab, select Department, Workshop 2. For product kind, Purchased and other products. Click Save. On the Operations tab, click Add Operation. Then select Work Center Kind, the harness cutting machine. Name: Cable Cutting. Execution time: 3 minutes. Click Save and close. Now do the following operations yourself. Installing the power connector. Execution time: 10 minutes. Installing the heat shrink tube. Time per piece: 5 minutes. Installing the cable tie. Execution time: 5 minutes. Note that Work Center Kind and the harness cutting machine are set for all the operations. On the Materials and Works tab, fill in the following information. Here we have the categories: products, quantity, operation, and costing item, which is the same for all the products. Flexible cable with insulation, 5 meters. Cable cutting. Heat shrink tube, 0.2 meters. Installing the heat shrink tube. Power connector, 6 pieces. Installing the power connector. And cable tie, 15 pieces. Installing the cable tie. Fill in the Finished Products tab. Products, wire harness. Quantity, 1 piece. Operation, installing the cable tie, or last operation. Fill in the side and intermediate release section. Product, cable fittings. Quantity, 0.05 kg. Operation, cable cutting. Costing item for semi-finished products. Semi-finished products manufactured in the process. Fill in the Labor Cost tab. Create a new work kind with the qualification category 3. Fill in their labor cost in accordance with the operation time. Set status to valid. Click Save. The next production stage is Varnish Coating Case Cover Special X1. Remember that we make root sheets for each production stage. On the Root Sheet tab, we specify Department, Workshop 2, Applicability, Case Materials. On the Operation tab, we have two operations: preparing to apply varnish, 5 minutes per piece, and applying varnish, 10 minutes per piece. The same work center kind is specified for both operations. Fill in the Finished Products tab. Case cover special X1 as a finished product. Now go on to the Materials and Works tab. Specify products. Case cover special X1 without varnish, 1 piece. Varnish 0.05 kg. Then go to the labor cost. Repeat the action in the same way we did for the previous route sheet. Our heavy boat's body consists of two elements: base and case cover. We've demonstrated how to make a route sheet on the following: printing the case base for special X1, harness manufacturing, and varnish coating case cover special X1. Now do the same for printing the case cover for special X1 and varnish coating case base special X1. Good luck!